Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Wantor News.
Kublai pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Unong yalam kaliang Persha Voice of the People Party VPP ba Ardent Embasayo mon menne kasngi ningkong ula Wanrah yakamat jingkali halor ka VIP. Uba Ardent haga kenta kali jingkali ukwa ka jubam no konrad kisang mamintri rang ba ka jela halor ka jingdon ki bapindonkam bakla ya ka VIP na kaliang utay UMLE nongprem udawa ban penshitom ya kitu ki briu ki ba ag yaladi kum ki VIP da ka bata yet yong ha ki kali. Uba Ardent ula ong bakila don bun ba ki briu ki bale yaladi kum ki VIP lakin no baki don ki briu ki bata yet yong bar hakikat tu kat ne ki khep ki de ki parlong bahaying ne ki bayatrelang bar ki briu ki badon ha ka bor. Habakwa bantip ikisin jam ban shimpersha ya kini ki nong penkenyan uni UMLE ka nong frem ula ong baka ying ka shiri Supreme Court haga arfnyu terik ya yong ar hajar khat ar kalakhang persha banta yit yong hakikali palat ya uput balasha karkum ka motor vehicle act. Haba ong baga jingpyndonkam ya ka yit yong kadai ka bakta ya ka imlang salang bat yarap ikinong le baman banri nakikti jong kaan. Kaying ka shiri ki laingut kinong bishar bahakli da uchief Justice SH Kapadia kala ong baki company manufacturer kilaban penmi eki kali bat ki yit yong hapo uput jong ka visual light transmission VLT balong nyopho person na ka yit khmat bat yit nadin basapho person ki yit na ki jingkhang kayeng ka shari kala batha ya home secretary bat kumjuru ya ki khridu jong ki pulit ha ki jilla ka ri ban pentikna ya ka jingpyndonkam perkhing ya ka ne ka hukum Kabala Pentri Kam nadu ka Sautrik ujimang ar hajar khat ar Menteri Rangba ka jila Konrad Kisangma haba jubab hayung dorbar ba ka sarkar ka ne da ka bating e mador ya ka ni ka kam lada yo apdyang ya ka nugunu ka jing ujor U Konrad Kisangma uyathu ka kali jong uru sham la pendonkam ya ki yit yong Kidon hadu shispa lai teli ki kali VIP haki kerdan bapher ba kenthop ya artli ki bahab hapo ka Z+ category, Shipotali ki Z category, Kharkhandaitali ki Y category, but Nyupuartali ki X category. Henry Ukonrad uloong baka hok banyo jingeda ya ka jingshan jongkini ki briu kalong katkum ka yellow bung. Kakot bari bha secret document na kabenta ka jing ai jingeda bat benram na markata la perkhing yanga ban ai shibun ki jingtip halor ka yellow bung.
Reply to star question 65. So there is no classification on VIPs in the state government. However, for the purpose of security, we adopt the Ministry of Home Affairs directives which categorize protected persons as 1. Z plus protected person, 2. Z category protected person, 3. Y plus category protected person, 4. Y category protected person, and 5. X category protected person.
Your supplementary question. So may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister the number of persons in each category?
Sir, just so that we are aware of what I'm going to say, so the security entitlements of protected persons is as per the classified secret document of security arrangements for protection of individuals, which is called the Yellow Book by the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs. And hence we are restricted to give too many details about the Yellow Book and the details of the Yellow Book in a public domain. And I have all the information with me, there is no problem. But I can share up to this information.
Just want to know the numbers, not the name.
I know, but I just want to tell you that beforehand so that, the more you ask me questions so that you already know that there are restrictions and I need to follow that. Yeah. So I'll just give the numbers, sir. So there are total 103 in the different categories. There are 2 in Z+, 10 in Z category, 0 in Y+, 19 in Y category, and 72 in X category.
Sir, I just want to remind this House, sir, that the Supreme Court on April 27, 2012 has prohibited the use of tinted glass on vehicles beyond the permissible limit prescribed under the Motor Vehicles Act. A three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice S.H. Kapadia said the manufacturer may produce the vehicles with tinted glass having visual light transmission of safety glasses windscreen as 70% and glasses as 40% VLT respectively. Further, prohibit the use of black films of any VLT percentage or any other material upon the safety glasses, windscreen and side glasses of all vehicles throughout the country. The bench, also comprising Justice A.K. Patnaik and Swatin Tar Kumar, said the bench directed the Home Secretary as well as the police heads of the respective states to ensure compliance with its direction, which become operative May 4. Use of these black films has been proved to be criminal paradise and a social evil. This certainly helps the criminals to escape from the eyes of the police and aids in commission of heinous crime like sexual assault on women, robberies, kidnapping, etc. If these crimes can be reduced by enforcing the prohibition of law, it would further the cause of rule of law and public interest as well, the bench said. So I just want to ask a question, because in my experience, especially in these last 4 or 5 years, it seems that there are too many people, who behave themselves as VIPs. They put the back frames on the vehicles, even a vehicle without bearing a registration number, the siren, and this has caused a lot of inconvenience to the people of the state. So maybe a friend of a relative or a business partner of those who are at the helm of affairs, they are taking advantage. And this has become, an eyesore to the people of the state. So may I know, what steps will the government take against those people who behave themselves as VIPs, taking the advantage under that cover?
So we are adhering to all the rules that are there. In fact, even in my personal vehicle also, I don't put black films. So we are ensuring that we practice what we preach. And there could be incidents and there could be individuals, sir, who do this. And as and when complaints come to us and this comes to our notice, immediate action is taken. So if there are any such cases, through you, sir, I can inform all the members that if there are such cases, individuals who are, and if anything comes to our notice, definitely, sir, immediate action will be taken.